Alright, here we go, first pull. What is up, guys? As you know, I love the Arrma 3S vehicles. Today we're doing something a little bit different involving the 3D printer. So I have had this thing going since I hooked it up. It has not had a break. And today we are actually printing off the 3S BLX Spur gear. This is the 57 tooth 0.8 mod. I'm printing it out of the stock PLA filament that comes with this printer. And I'm gonna install it in one of the cars and see if it holds up. And I have it printing in white so we can see where all the particles go if this thing decides to blow up. But I think it'll be interesting, so stay tuned. All right, we are at 99%. This thing is almost done. There she is. One white BLX Spur gear. So I'm going to clean this up and I'll get back to you guys in just a sec. Alright, so this thing just needs a little bit of trimming. I had to put some sort of support on it to get the area where the slipper pads go. So I'm just taking that off now. As you can see, it kind of just comes off. Just need to get in here and pry it all out. There we go. So there is crap all over the desk, but this thing came out pretty good. The only issue that I see, I'm not sure if you can see it on here, but this inside tooth pattern is a little bit worn already. It's kind of got an angle to it. So we went ahead and took off all of this extra support inside here, and it looks like some of it kind of got the teeth a little bit. Alright, so let's see if these fit in here. Alright. One's in there good. Two. Forget what order these go in, but alright, so we got our bearing in there. Put these back in. One on this side. And that actually fits pretty well. I'm impressed. Guess the true test is going to be once we take this out, but so far so good. And this actually looks like a pretty good fit. There's a little bit of wiggle. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but there is a little play in there, which is good. I'm going to seal this up. Try it. Here we go, moment of truth. There's definitely some dust coming up. I don't know. There's a bit of a wobble. That was full throttle. Let's go. Guys, this is the moment of truth. We have our makeshift spur gear in there. I'm going to set up the Insta360 Go inside here also. Maybe we can get a shot of this thing blowing up or something. But this is it. Time to test it out. It's working. It definitely sounds different. Oh, and I think we already stripped it. Yeah. Either we stripped it, oh yeah. That's it, boys and girls. Let's take it apart and see what happened. We get the new slipper in there. Let's give it a bid, see how long it lasts. Ooh, it's loud. I think we're gonna have to bring this thing back to the drawing board. Oh yeah, he's burnt out. All right, so here's our PLA spur gear. This thing did not stand a chance. So we're gonna take this one out, and we're gonna try this PETG. This is a little bit harder plastic, higher melt rate, and we're gonna swap these in. Alright, what do you think of that? So this one is all set up. We're going to put it in. Next thing you know, we'll be testing this thing out. Alright, so I think we will know pretty quickly if this one works or not, considering the last one blew apart completely. Let's give it a go. Alright, it's working. Alright, it's definitely working. Have a contender here. I am pleasantly surprised. It's holding up. Look at this thing go. Braking. Something's slipping. That didn't last nearly as long as I was hoping, but a lot longer than I expected. We're going to take this apart and see if it was in fact the Spur. That does not look good. Well, at least we tried it, and if you guys see that file online, make sure you give that guy a like, because he did design this. I think I'm going to try this again in some different materials like nylon filament, but the PETG and PLA just weren't strong enough. So I'm going to leave the video there. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.